And page number.
Yes. Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all, children? Okay. Children. Yes. Good afternoon. So, children, we are going to do chapter 7, division. Okay. Page number 63. 63. Page number 63. All of you take out your rough workbook and keep one rough book also with you to do the calculations in the rough book.
What we need to do?
Wait. Now all the children, please mute your audio. I will call one by one to read questions. Mainly we have children workbook part 1. Okay. Children, you know this, we are doing MCQ questions. Okay. So we will first revise the multiple choice questions. Okay, Felix, read question number 1, page number 63. All the children, please listen carefully, mute your audio. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
The number of times the divisor divides the dividend is called the dash. Quotient.
So children, the number of times we have done this class test, I can see some children made mistake because the answer in the division is same as here. The answer in the division, we know that is quotient. The same question, it is given in another words. The number of times the divisor divides the dividend means that you will get the answer in the division, that is called the quotient. Okay. Janvi, question number 2.
In 520 divided by 8 is equal to 65. 65 is the quotient.
Quotient. Children, you have to do these calculations. I want all the children, this is very easy, but we have to practice division, more questions. So 520 divided by 8. Keep your rough book. Write down in the rough book. Find out the answer in the rough book. So Srihari, can you tell me which is the dividend here? Dividend.
Yes, ma'am. Dividend is 520.
Okay, 520 is the dividend. And which is the divisor?
8.
8. Okay, now find out the quotient. Children, you have to do and find out. First of all, write down the tables. Izan, can you tell me the table of 8? 8 into 1.
Can I say?
Can you please unmute? I'm not muted anyone. Yes, Izan, you can unmute.
Ma'am, I think he's saying he can't unmute.
Yes, sir.
Can I say?
Yes, who is that?
Siddhi.
Hridvi. Siddhi. Siddhi.
Yeah.
8 into 1, 8. Okay, 8 twos are?
8 twos are 16.
Okay, 8 3.
24.
24. 8 4.
33.
32. Okay, 32. Okay, 8 5.
45. 40.
40. 8
40.
into 5, 40. 8 into 6,
48.
48. 8 into 7. Children, you have to revise the multiplication tables daily. Okay. 8 into 7, 56. Okay. Now, Srihari,
60.
can you continue? Tell me which one we will take here.
Ma'am,
Here we have only 52. So which one we can take? All the children do these
40.
questions alone. Okay, 48.
48.
We cannot take 56 from 52 because that is smaller than 56. So we can take only 48. So 8 times which number?
8 times 6.
8 into 6. 8 into 6, 48. Then what we will do? We divide, then we do multiply, then what we have to do?
Minus.
Subtract.
Subtract.
Okay. Subtract. Okay. Here 5 cannot take. Here 12 can be 12 minus 8.
4.
4.
4.
Then
Ma'am,
what
I
is the
joined
next
now
step?
because of the network connection.
Okay. We just started now only. Okay. Please
40.
take page number 63 from the workbook. So 40. Look at the multiplication table.
Ma'am, 5.
5.
5 into
8
8.
into 5.
This
Ah.
in between.
I will now mute everyone, then we'll get chance. Okay, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. 8 into 5 is 40.
And
Okay,
0 bring
Srihari.
down.
Okay, Srihari, tell me which is the quotient here? Quotient
Quotient 65.
65 is the quotient. Please check all of you whether you got 65 as the quotient and which is the remainder?
Remainder is
Zero. So please check, children, how we are dividing. When you do more practice with the multiplication tables, then only you can do it faster. So 65 is the answer and 0 is the quotient, the remainder. Okay. Next one, Arpida. I'm calling by name. All others has to mute your audio. Okay. Question number 3, Arpida.
Ma'am, 120 roses are distributed equally among 3 girls. Each girl gets dash roses.
What we had to do? 120 roses. How many children?
120 roses.
120 roses has to be distributed to
3 girls.
3 girls. Okay. Now which is the dividend? Dividend.
120.
120 is the dividend. Now which is the divisor? 3.
3.
We know that is we have only here one number divisor. So first of all we will write down the table. Can you say the multiplication table of 3 faster? 3 into 1, 3 into 2. Yes, Arpida.
3.
3 into 1 is 3. 3 twos are
6.
6. 3 threes are
9.
9. 3 fours are
12.
12. So here you can see here which number is here? 12. So when we take here 12, okay. Can you see here 12? Yes. 3 times which number? Yes. Yes, Arpida, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
3 times which number we can write on the quotient? 3?
3 4
4. 3 fours are 12. Then what we'll do? Subtract, bring down this 0. This 0, we had to write it here. 0 times 3, 0. So the remainder is 0. And which is the quotient here?
40.
40. So children, 40 roses can be given to 3 students each. Okay. So here 40 is the quotient. Okay, easily we can do this question. 4 threes are 12. So 1 0 is there. You have to place that 0 in the quotient. Okay, next one, Krishnananda. Question number 4. Krishnananda.
The quotient when
1000.
1800 is divided by 3.
Okay,
Is
1800 divided by 3. So here, 3 times which number is 18?
6.
6. Okay, 6 threes are 18. So easily you can do this. How many zeros are here? 2 zeros. These 2 zeros we had to place in the quotient. So what's the answer?
300.
600. Okay, so children, 6 into 3 is 18. So in the answer, we have 2 0 means you will place the 2 zeros here. So when we check, how you can check the answer? Quotient into divisor. So quotient is 600 into divisor 3, 1800 plus remainder 0. So we can easily check whether our answer is correct or wrong. Okay, so 600 is the answer. Next one, Dia. Question number 5.
The remainder when 2000 is divided by 10 is
2000 divided by 10.
10.
2000 divided by 10. 20. How many times?
10 into 2.
10 into 2 is 20. Okay, so here children, here we have how many zeros? 2 zeros that we can place here. So the answer is what?
200.
200. Okay, easy. So children, you know 200 when multiplied by 10 means we will write 200, then add 1 0. So you'll get the dividend also easily. Okay, next question, Jenika, question number 6. Jenika, question number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Read question number 6. Page number 63, part 1. We didn't get the page.
Ma'am, the quotient in 190 divided by 19 is
190
90.
divided by 19. So any number divided by same number. What's that? Any number divided by the same number. 19 divided by 19. 1. Yes. 1 into 19. 19. So when you do, bring down 0. So that 0 you have to place in the quotient. So what's the answer? What is the answer? 10. So if they're asking remainder, question number 5, you have to do remainder. So here, what is the remainder here? Remain. Which number is remaining here? 0. 0 is the remainder. So children, you have to listen to the question whether they are asking the quotient or remainder. So question number 5, you have to find the remainder when 2000 divided by 10. So the remainder is 0. Question number 6, they are asking the quotient. So quotient is here 10. Okay, so I will give you some questions. You can do that in the rough book. Yes, children. Question number 1, 25 divided by 25. 100 divided by 100. Question number 3, 12 divided by 1. Children, please mute your audio. Mute your audio. From where the sound? Okay. Here question number 4. 24 divided by 1. So first question number 1 and 2, any number divided by the same number. Question number 3 and 4, any number divided by 1. I want all the good children to on your camera. Yes, Danvin. Can you say the answer of question number 1, Danvin? 25 divided by 25.
1.
1. So children, any number divided by the same number is 1. So what will be 100 divided by 100?
1.
1. Okay, very good. Nainiga, question number 3. Nainiga.
Yes, ma'am.
12 divided by 1.
12.
12. Yes, very good. Any number divided by 1, you will get the same number. Okay, so tell me the other answer also. 24 divided by 1. Yes? Hridvi? 24 divided by 1.
24.
24. So children, please see this. Any number divided by the same number, you will get 1 as the quotient. Any number divided by 1, you will get the same number as the dividend. The quotient and dividend will be the same if you are dividing by 1. Okay. Is that clear? Finished? You will do one more question, then we will do two questions from chapter 8, fractions. Okay. So here, 324 divided by 9. Children, 324 divided by 9. Write on the table of 9. Find out the quotient. 324 divided by 9. Write down the table of 9. Okay, Mayuk. Yes, Mayuk.
Ma'am.
Okay. We'll do.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the table of 9?
9.
9 twos are
9 into 9 to 18, 9 into 3, 27, 9 into 4, 30, 36.
okay. 9 fours are
36.
36. So which one we can take from here? We have here 32.
9 into 3.
9 into 3. Okay, we can take 9 threes are 27. 9 threes are 27. Okay, then subtract and tell me 32 minus 27. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7. After 7, count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many are there?
5.
5. So after divide, multiply, subtract. What's the next step?
Bring down.
Bring down 54. Now it becomes 54. Can you continue the table? 9 into 5.
9 into 5, 45.
45. 9
9
into
6, 54.
54. Okay. So here we have 54. 9
6.
times 6.
54.
54. So what's the quotient?
Quotient 36.
36 is the quotient. Which is the dividend?
Dividend 324.
24. Then which is the remainder?
0.
0. And 9 is called?
Divisor.
Divisor. Okay. So all the children, did you get the answer? Children, how many got correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you raise your hand? Okay. Very good. So children, we will do now 2 questions from chapter. Which chapter we are continuing now? Chapter 8.2. Can you take this page number 13 from part 2? I told you to keep ready with your part 1 and part 2. Okay. Part 2, page number 13. Part 2, page number 13. Question number 21 and 22 we will complete. 21, I will send the notes. 21 and 22. Can you take 21 and 22?
Yes, ma'am. I already
Taken. Okay.
Yes.
Now I will call one by one to read. So question number, who is there? Glenn. Can you read question number 21? Glenn.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Color each figure to represent the given fractions and compare them.
Yes.
3
3 by 8 and 5 by 8. So before drawing, children, look at the numerator. 3 and 5. 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. Can you tell me which is fraction is bigger, Glenn?
5 by 8.
5 by 8. Very good. Easy. We have the denominators are same. 8. So we will look at the numerator 3 and 5. So 5 is greater. Yes. Now what we have to do? You have to color 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. We will check whether it is correct. 3 by, we can identify from the picture. Question number 21A is 3 by 8. We have to draw the circle. 3 by 8. So children, what do you have to do? Equal 8 parts. Equal parts. So you have to make it again into 8 equal parts. Okay. How many parts? Adidev, can you see the board? Adi? Yes, Adidev? Adidev? Janvi, can you see the board? Janvi? I think
Yes,
Adidev,
ma'am.
some network problem. Okay.
Ma'am,
3
the
by
20th
8.
Question.
Huh?
The 20th question.
That we will do later. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Today we are doing revision plus 1 or 2 question. Again, tomorrow, in the next day also, we can do some questions from revision. Today we have done division. 1, 2, and 3. 3 parts we have colored. Okay, now next one, question number B. That also we had to do shade. 5 by 8 B. Okay, question number B is 5 by 8. So look at the picture. Five by 8. Okay, so children, here we can do again color 5 by 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we had to compare 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. Glenn already told that 5 is greater. So 5 is greater than 3. So 3 by 8 is less than 5 by 8. So we can also identify from the picture. Yes? Yes, Kirtana? Unmute. Yes, Kirtana? Yes, Kirtana? Can you identify from the picture which fraction is greater? Unmute.
Yes.
Can you identify from the picture which fraction? This is 3 by 8. And this is 5 by 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which fraction is bigger?
5 by 8.
5 by 8. Yes. So we can, children, write 3 by 8 is less than 5 by 8. Without picture, you can see. Look at the numerator. 3 is small than 5. So 3 by 8 is less than 5 by 8. Okay, children. We can, without drawing, we can identify from the numerators which fraction is less, which fraction is greater. Also, we can draw the picture, color the picture, and we can easily identify from the picture also. Is that clear? Yes? Okay. Mayu, can you read question number 22?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Arrange the following fraction in ascending and descending orders.
Ascending or descending order. So 3 by 8. Can you identify and tell me which fraction from A will be the smallest? Ascending
1
means
by 8.
small to big. Descending
1
means
by
the
8.
opposite, big to small. So 1 by 8. Then 2
2 by
by
8.
8.
3
3
by
by
8.
8.
4 by 8.
8.
5 by 8.
6
by
and
8.
7, 8. So we can
7
write
by 8.
very easy. We can write together. So children, what you have to do? You have to draw one. Here, one box we will draw. Ascending order and ascending order. We can draw one box. Descending order. Ascending order and descending order. Question number A, Mayuk already said. What's that? A. We can draw here. So Mayuk told the answer 1 by 8. Which is the next one?
2 by 8.
2 by 8. Then we have 3
3 by
by 8. 4 by 8.
5 by
5
8.
by 8.
6 by 8.
6 by 8 and 7 by 8.
7 by 8.
By 8 and 7 by 8. So descending order just opposite. Navneet, can you look at the board and tell me descending order? Yes, Navneet?
Ma'am, descending order is
Ah,
7 by 8,
we
6
will
by
start
8,
from
5
7
by 8,
Very
4
good.
by 8,
6 by 8.
3 by 8, 2 by 8, 1 by 8.
Okay, very good. Children, you can do that very easy. Yes? Just write in the opposite. Yeah.
G,
We can write B. B also you can complete now. Yes?
you will send it. Ma'am, you will send
I will send the
the
notes. Yeah.
20th question.
Yeah. 20 we will do next class.
Ma'am,
Okay. 20 we will do in the next class.
Ma'am,
20 we can complete. This is the
ma'am,
very
in
easy
21
one.
question, you want to call it the-
Navneet, it's not clear because of the, I think the network. Okay, the network is problem. I think it's not audible. So children, why we have done today this?
21 question with colors, all colors.
We can color. Color you have to do 3 by 8. And children, please listen. 3 by 8, 5 by 8. You can color. We have done that here now. This is question number 21. Look here. We have done 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. You have to color, then you have to compare. This is question number 21. And which is question number 22? Here we are writing this. Question number 20 we will do in the next class because no time today. Okay, question number B. Can you do that as homework? Ascending order, descending order? Yes, children? Very easy one. Ascending order. If you draw in this like this box, question number 22, you have written both ascending order and descending order in the box. Like the same, you can complete question number B as homework. We will discuss in the next class. Okay, children? So for next class, you have to revise for Wednesday, chapter 8.1. 8.1, revise
Equivalent fraction.
equivalent fraction. Okay, children? Bye. Bye-bye. Friday. Based on Friday. Bye.